Hey guys, so I want to make a couple of videos to introduce to you guys DVS Chess. DVS Chess is an app that we've created to support online training. It's amazing, 100% Kenyan. Let's go. So all you have to do is go to dvschess.com, number of features. So I'm going to start with the flowers, like the things that are not super important, but are good features. And I'm going to start first and foremost with our ratings. So this is, whether you log in or not, you will have access to ratings over here. And the first thing is it's focused on Kenya. DVS Chess is fully Kenyan. And we are looking at July 2026. These are the global statistics. As of today, there are slightly over 500,000 rated players, 1892 GMs, 4,000 IMs, 9,000 FMs, 3,000 CMs, WGMs are 500, WMs are 970, WFMs are 2,000, and WCMs are 1,350. So, Telo, really? Yeah, what are you saying? Tell me.
Is that ratings that how many people are there in DVS Chess or?
No, that's globally. So worldwide snapshot. And then what we've done is we've brought in, at this juncture, we're looking at Kenya. You can look for any federation, of course. Right now, starting point is Kenya. And I've added this very nice one. Those guys who got their ratings last month, they're all here. So congratulations to all these guys. I think there's a young man I saw, Selim Hussein, very young guy. I think he should be playing under 9 now, with a decent rating, first rating of 1669. And you can check all the new rated guys. There are 24 in total, first standard rating. And Mali Mugo got a first rating as well at 1492, which is good. Very strong young lady. I think she should be around 10 now. And second part we're looking at is the biggest rating gains in the month, and 140 rating points by Wootball Woot, going straight to 1877. Abel Taji getting 94 rating points to 1870, and so on, the top 10. And biggest rating losses, yeah, you can see the names. Then, of course, now we go to the top Kenyan players. Surprisingly, Adam Aslam is still active. So you'd think that Simi Jadon is top, but actually right now it's Adam Aslam in 205. And this is because we're looking at all players, by the way. If we select active players only up here, then changes a little bit. It updates, check that updating. Or you guys can't see it, or it's updated already, fine. And now Simi Jadon is the top rated player. I've added gender, I've added age, title, year born, and so on, the current rating. And we have this nice symbol here, is a junior. Next junior is Kyle Kuka at number 6, rated 2035. And yours truly, that is me, Victor Ngani, 1980. But I'm an old man, so I think I'm the oldest guy. No, Ben Magana should be older, yeah. Older by 2 years. Up there, more or less the same number of juniors coming up and so on. So all these guys are very important. And unlike the top rating list we normally share, you can actually go through, select 100 people, and it will display, I think, 100. And you can keep going, select the next page all the way to the end. How many people rated in Kenya as of June? This is 1,000 active players in July. And if you select not active, updating over there, 1634 rated ever. And you can compare to any month. You can decide to compare that to April. Let's look at March 2026. And in that period of time, we've had 142 newly rated players. And yeah, a couple of things. Congratulations. Does it show all 142 players? Yes, it does. All 142 players are rated. Good. So, biggest rating gains in that period. Wow, Bella Nashipai. So we can look at this year literally. Yashmith Ram has gotten the highest, 236 rating points. Ronald Migele, Abel Taji, Elvis Migai, Gilana Muturi, Hesham. So all these guys have gained quite a number of rating points, and those who've lost the highest number of rating points, again, you're able to see on the side, and stuff like that. All right, so that's comparing this federation, but there's a nice feature here where we can select a country. Of course, you're going to select Uganda, dating, and once it's updated, we'll have 1634 rated players in Kenya versus 942 rated in Uganda. Average rating is 1620 Kenya, Uganda is 1663. Female players 266, Uganda 152. Juniors 370 Kenya, Uganda 208. Titled players 39, newly rated. Wait a minute, we are comparing too much. So let's do comparison to June. So we have stats, we show growth, because we don't have all this. Yeah, so Kenya rated player growth 1.43%, all players. Uganda 0.11, all players. And if select active players, then the growth in Kenya is much more dramatic. And you can see Kenya has 6.4% growth per month versus 1.25%. So let's look at, compared to a country like Russia, where we think like there are million rated players. Let's see how many millions there are in Russia. 6,000 rated players. But the average rating is 1692. And we can actually still compare with other countries as well. But the growth, rated player growth, Kenya is far outstripping these guys. Let's look at a country called India, by the way. India must be like a crazy number. I've not looked at it. Updating. And India has 19,000 rated players. That's probably one of the highest. Their growth is 2.3%. That's significant. They have 527 titled players. Females, the juniors that are coming up in 11,800. That ratio is crazy. So India is literally going places. And yeah, so that is the rating section. And remember that ratings is just like a side thing in DVS Chess. It's not the main thing. Next, I'm going to show you the Grand Prix section. Then we can pick it up from there. These are the flowers, like the pocho pocho. The real functions in DVS Chess are in the online training program, which is absolutely amazing. This is like, because we did it, like 0% functionality, 0.5% functionality. The real function, 95%, 98%, is in online training, and that is yeah, that's what you're doing. Let me know. Put a comment down, please. Think through it. It's an amazing feature. And by the way, there's an affiliate program, and I'll tell you a little bit, because it's not just something for the creators, these creators, but also for anybody who's a professional in the chess space. There's an affiliate program. Say, for example, subscription to DVS Chess is 300 per month for all the content that we have. Maybe I'll show you a little bit. Can we log in? Yeah, let's try and log in. I think someone is logged in, my daughter. Yeah, and we can see, I'll just give a very simple part here. This is the principles. And in the principles, we can click to expand off-board principles. There is coach bank stuff, and then there's a core principles. Analyze your own games, understand opening structures and plans, train tactics regularly, study end games, play serious games, then review. These are the what we call off-board principles that you must learn. Then we'll have general principles. And general principles, let me look at the core items. And this is, calculate forcing move like forcing lines fast, lose pieces, drop off, initiative has value. Look at tons of stuff. Opening principles, these are tons as well. Middle game principles, there are over 110 principles here. Middle game tactics, pawn structure, piece activity, attack, end game principles. This is principles, which is like pretty much nothing. We have opening explorers. In fact, instead of opening explorers, I want to show you curricula. And we have repertoires. Black repertoire against knight f3 and f4. Black repertoire against c4, the English. e4 against semi-Slav. Black repertoire against d4. And you can open this course, for example, you find the London system, Tons of material that's already uploaded, and I'll probably practice. Let's look at one variation. Let's check this one out, and let's see. I think in this position I want to play this move. Let's play this guy. Okay, it cycles through, and you get to remember easily. So this position, what will I play? I think I'll play white g6. I think this is the move I wanna play. I think I wanna play this. Let's take off this guy. You know, so things like this, we're gonna castle, and should we take here? I think we should take here. Oh, and there's this move, which I'll not remember unless I'm practiced here. Now that I have, and now I wanna take here, but that's not the best move. I think the best move is to push. It's not. Take? No. Interesting. I thought it was to push, no? Makes no sense. Okay, fortunately it's opening prep, so I can still check, get my hint, subtle hint. It's a queen move. Ah, I've seen it. This move, which distracts all these pawn structures. All right. This pawn is going nowhere. Variation 4 is complete. Variation 5 against this position is what you're playing. Gonna play this move. Let me still play my g6. Okay, you must select it. Again, you attack the bishop. Let's play our bishop here. We'll take this guy. And let's castle. Is this the same thing? Let's take. Is that my wife? Is this not the exact same thing that we were doing? Maybe it's a repetition because I missed it. But hi, Hot, how are you? Fine, fine. How are you doing? Let's see. This bishop is always very strong. Bring out our bishop. Take this guy. Let's castle here once again. Let's pick this move. I'm not sure why variation 5 should be solved. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Maybe it wants me to see this. No, that's incorrect. Interesting. Variation 6. So here I'm practicing a couple of lines. Here I think this is a move. Yeah, we'll keep updating these lines progressively. I think this is the move I should play. Should I pick? I think I should pick it. Then I think I should play here. Bring out our bishop. Maybe castle. Then I think my rook should come to this file. Wrong move. Okay, let's check. Get a hint right here. Really? I've seen the move, which is very hard to like. Okay. Okay, let's see. Oh, interesting. Don't look at our bishop. Okay, here, because I don't know what's going on here, let me just look at the moves. Now the rook comes, bishop comes back. Interesting. More variations of the London. By the time I'm done with this, by there, I think I'll just be super. So you can see that C times D4 is 0.06, knight to H5 is 0.01. This is what I wanna do. But here you have to select there. I think is this a move? Not really. Bishop out. Okay, let's continue. No. Save a bishop. No. Attack your bishop. No. Bring a rook in. Okay, works. Wait, that's not a move. It's not. Honestly, what is going on here? All right, let's see what the move is. Save the bishop first. Knight to the center. Oh, this is. I'm gonna play like that without understanding. Okay, let's see. So this is more or less like a full opening repertoire of. Let's play this first. I think you have to play this. Then I think the move normally is this move. Then you have to take this guy first. That is not it. Oh, we have. Is it this? Is it this? Is it this? It's crazy, man. It's crazy. These are ideas that I. So all these are from my opening lines. I just don't remember 90% of them. I've studied all this, but I just can't remember them. I just need to. Okay, when I click next with the mouse, it should just allow me. Okay. So all this.
Why are not explaining?
No, I'm not explaining. Is this a move? No, it's not. I hoped it was. Let's attack this guy. Interesting. Okay. So by the time I'm done with this kind of line, so I'll just a couple of things correct, guys, which is still a threat. This doesn't work. Or save the bishop first. Bring this guy. No, play here. But that's not correct. So this is not correct. Oh, they want the knight out. Okay, this guy out first. And this still not working. You wanna stop this guy? Doesn't work. No. Let's do a hint here. Okay. Crazy. Okay, so there's just a ton of stuff. This is analyzed in the London, and I'm looking at variation 12 or 53 in the London. My goodness, that's crazy stuff. So even for me, it's gonna help me quite a bit. And by the time I'm done, like I'm just getting many ideas in the London that I need to. I've looked at before. I just don't remember them. What else we have? Live classes. This is better looked at from the coach's side, and so on. Yeah, let's see. All right, guys. Let's look at a few more things in future.